Hi, first graders. This is Miss Page here. I just want to first start off by saying we miss you guys. We hope that everybody is safe and is being healthy. Make sure you wash those hands and stay in the house unless you need to go out for something essential. So, what we're doing here are video lessons through YouTube. Since school is out, we want to give y'all opportunities to still participate in the Too Good for Drugs program. So originally, I was gonna have this PowerPoint up on the TV screen, but we had technical difficulties, so we're just gonna work what we're gonna work with today. Today, we're just doing a review of lessons 1 through 4, just to kind of refresh you guys' memory on what we learned before, and then next week we'll pick up back at lesson 5. All right, so if you remember lesson 1, let's see if you can see it. We talked about good health and goals. We talked about healthy things to put in our body, healthy things to eat, exercise, and then we also talked about short-term and long-term goals that we wanted to achieve. So we have here, good health is when our bodies work the best they can. So that means staying active, eating healthy foods, and not putting things into your body that is not good for you. We need to take care of our bodies so that they can work the way they should. So we're young, so we should be able to go outside, go for a run, go for a walk, without being, too fatigued or tired. That's basically keeping our bodies healthy. All right, so let's go on to goals. What is a goal? So in lesson 1, the first lesson that we had, a few of y'all named some goals that y'all had, short-term, long-term goals. Some of you guys said y'all wanted to make straight A. Some of you guys stated that you wanted to be a football player, etc. So a goal is something you want to achieve. Say, for instance, a long-term goal is I want to graduate from college. That's a long-term goal. Or a short-term goal that you guys stated where I want to get good grades in school. So those are goals. You can reach the goal from where you are right now by taking steps to get there. And if you remember, we talked about a few steps on how to achieve your goal, with naming it, saying you can, go for it, and when you do achieve it, you give yourself a good job. All right, let's go to the next one. Lesson 2, we talked about our feelings. What's a feeling? So when you're smiling, you're happy. Remember we talked about this, and in the books we saw that we had different friends in our books. Let me get the book out. We talked about our different friends in our books, whether they were smiling, so they're happy, frowning, slumping your shoulders over, that means you're sad. When you ball your fists up, as some of you do when you get angry, and y'all scowl. And when you're afraid, your eyes widen, you kind of lean away. So what I did here is I put some emojis there. I'm showing some feelings. So how do you feel today? Do you feel happy? Are you sad? Are you bored at home? How are you feeling today? And I also included some iMessages on saying how we feel in a positive way. So we can say, I feel sad because I am not going to be able to go back to school this year, or I feel proud when I made good grades on my report card, or I feel angry when my friend doesn't talk to me, or I feel happy when my mom says I can get ice cream after dinner. So these are our special feelings. All right, let's go to lesson 3. listening. Listening is important. When we listen, we can find out a lot of things. So if you remember in our workbook on page 3, we interviewed a friend and we asked them their favorite out of these 3 categories. And then at the end, I asked, what was your friend's favorite category? And to see if you were listening or not. If you got it wrong, that means you weren't listening. Or if you got some wrong, you were semi-listening, partially listening. Or if you got all 3, then you're a great listener. So some listening activities that you can do at home is you can go on YouTube and you can guess the sound. So they have categories of animals, musical instruments, and transportation, and you can guess what sound that makes. So that's a little activity for you to do at home. All right, our last lesson is friendship, lesson 4. We talked about friends and what qualities we enjoyed in our friends, and some of y'all told me you like certain things that your friend does and certain things that you do not like when your friend does. So what is a good quality friend to you? What qualities does your friend show? Is your friend funny and makes you laugh? Is that what you prefer in a friend? A bossy friend? Do you prefer your friend to be bossy? Or you prefer your friend to be patient or caring? So what qualities do you prefer in a friend? So that's the end of our review lessons 1 through 4. So what I just asked you guys to do is we just wanted to know who's actually watching the videos and who's also participating. So if you don't mind commenting under this video your first name, only your first name, and tell me how you feel today. Tell me what kind of qualities you prefer in a friend, or tell me what you're doing at home today. Anything else that you want to express, you can. So that's the end of this lesson. Miss you guys. We hope you are home healthy and safe, and don't forget to wash those hands.